Good morning, my people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And yeah, today we are vlogging. I feel like today let's make it a spend a day with me. You know, yeah. So yeah, I just woke up and today actually just gonna be spending the whole day with me. I'm just gonna go to town and do someone's nails and check some few things there. So yeah, that's actually what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, let's get into the video. I just finished cleaning my room and yeah, we have to keep it clean, Yeah. So I just finished cleaning my room and now I'm just gonna go take a shower and then after that I'll be ready to hit the road. I think now it's 18 past 8 and I'm hoping at least by half 9 I should be out of here because I really need to get some few things before I go where I'm actually going. So yeah, um, let me go shower. Hey lads, so girl is ready and we're about to hit the road. So yeah, let's go to PLK. Yeah. Some of you might ask themselves, oh, did the girl have breakfast or something like that? I find it so weird for me to eat in the morning. Like, okay, let me just say my body just rejects food early in the morning. So I usually don't eat in the mornings. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. So yeah, humper. Fingers, guys, please pray with me because because I'm almost at the gate. It's time for the breakthrough. So I'm crossing fingers, I'm praying. Let's see, they don't ask me what is in that bag, what and stuff and all that. So yeah. University of Limpopo. And finally we are out here at 829. Yeah, at our mini complex. And since we are Hamburg, I will just get some few powders and a gel polish. So yeah. you guys. Yeah. Welcome back, and I just came back from PLK, and yeah, I'm so tired and all that, but right now I'm just gonna take a nap and I'm gonna wake up to study because I have some tests going on that I'll be taking like somewhere during the weekend, also next week. So I'm just gonna take a nap so that I can wake up and study. So yeah, basically that's it. So yeah, let's go. Welcome back, and um so I just woke up, and yeah, I really need to study. I guess that's one thing that I'll be getting to the bottom of right now. I don't know what time I'm gonna sleep because now it's 11 o'clock in the evening, and guys, I was so tired because yesterday I didn't sleep at all. So yeah, the amount of tiredness I was feeling. But yeah, we got to write, and now I'm just gonna get up and prepare so that I can study. um, so yeah, let me get into the bottom of this, because like, girl, we really need to get it done. This cat is not on our side. I don't want to find myself like panicking, at the very last minute and all that. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Beautiful. So today we are on day 2 of our vlog, and I just woke up and we're gonna grab some food, and after that I'm just gonna spend my day studying, and after that I'm gonna go see my friend maybe around 5 or 4 so that I can also come back early. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna go there and yeah, I'll come back again to study because I have some tests that I have to sort of like take like this week and also next week, as I've already said that. So yeah, let's get into today. Let's see what is on today's menu and all that, and what I'm gonna do. So guys, I slept with a Duke, but I woke up with none. So I said, let me try to tell her. Just gonna try and tuck my hair in top of. I hope this will work for me because it usually doesn't. It only lasts me for some few minutes. So yeah, we are snatched for the morning. So yeah, let's prepare some breakfast. And guys, I bought some new milk, but the thing is, I love this milk, but it's now frozen. I don't know what happened, but my milk is frozen. And guys, look at me. Look at me. I'm kitty, right? This is me. At least some of us have already graduated, girl. So yeah, but this is when I was graduating from grade R to I was graduating to get to grade R from preschool. This is a different. I'm a kitty. I'm a kitty. So today I'm having cookies and coffee. So yeah, let's see. Since I finished eating, I haven't even started studying. Guys, please someone tell me to study because I really need to get this done. Like, I feel so lazy and all that, but we'll pull through. We will study. I will study. That's a must. I am gonna do that. Yeah, like I was saying in Guti, I'm gonna study. I'm not gonna risk with my life, guys. I'm not risking my that going to the exam room without knowing anything. So I'm back again, and I didn't go see my friend because I felt like it was late and someone wanted to do their nails, and at the same time, my glue dried up on me. I don't know. I just have bad lucks when it comes to glue. Hey, they do all kind of things. So yeah, guess what I bought? My Teflon people tell you, Uti, this thing it's addictive. Like, so I went to get to check a glue, but I ended up coming back with a glue. I only came back with the arch honey, the one that you keep for at gate 2. You guys should know better. My therapist will tell you better. This thing, this thing, this thing, this is, honey, this is everything. Like, this is everything. You can literally eat it with anything. Like, that thing is addictive. Like, guys, I'm not eating that thing because, yeah. So now, the reason why I bought this is because I want to eat my bread. Like, I want to eat my bread because I want it to expire on me, and at the same time I don't want to throw away food because there are people who sleep without food, and then when you have and you are throwing away food, I don't want that. That was not a good habit. So I want to eat my bread before it expires, before it gets returned to it, before I can study. So this is me, and let's eat it together. Like, yeah, this is what I'm having. Like, guys, this is the best I've ever heard. Like, yeah, this thing now, this is very addictive. Like, guys, if you're in Teflon and you've ever killed for this acha, you know about this acha, please drop your comment down below, and you can buy this and not go back again. Like, this is the girl. Guys, they must not tell us what they put in this thing because we're awake. So I'm just gonna have this. I'm just gonna. So I wanted to eat an avocado and this, but my avocado disappointed. My word, what am I doing? My avocado disappointed me, and yeah, I'm just gonna have bread and acha. Like I've said, guys, we grew up with these things, and I've already said it about this acha. It's not that bad at all. It's not bad at all. So it's not even. I can't even talk about that. I just have to say it. It is the thing, honey. Oh, wait, what did I do? Eat. I'm gonna have this as a drink. I'm gonna drink coffee later on because it's a little bit cold. So I'm gonna drink coffee later on, but I'm just gonna have this. Yeah. And I bought a bottle. I bought a bottle. This is nice, right? This is nice. This is nice. I guess I am now hooked up on bottles. So let's eat. Hey loves, welcome back. And yeah, right now I just wanna study, and we will catch up later on. Like, guys, I guess my life is the boring one. You see, oh girl, she wakes up, she eats, she studies, and then we'll be eating girl, and she's busy on your phone maybe for hours and all of that. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna study. I have my laptop with me here. I hope it won't get. I'm thinking of studying econometrics because that's the one I'm writing on Friday, and I feel like I don't know so much yet. So I'm just gonna go on and study that and remind myself of everything that I've already studied. Yeah, because econometrics is one of those subjects whereby it's like a continuation of everything that you did. So if today they tell you calculate this, that particular thing, you're gonna admit it. Like, it's one of those it's one of those, you see those multiple choice questions, or let me say those follow-up questions, kind of the one that when you get the other one wrong, you won't get the next one. So I guess that's one of the thing. So I have to remind myself of everything that I've already studied and study the rest of the things. So I'll catch with you guys and just coming back to say good night, and also maybe to end the vlog because I feel like right enough. I should be sort of like done enough because I also don't want to keep it long. I keep it short at the same time. But guys, I have nice fingers, right? Long and nice. So yeah. So let me study, guys. Wish me luck, and please, guys, help me to study. Guys, I'm tired, and yeah, I'm tired. So right now, I'm just gonna remind myself or have two um, Bible verses and pray. And I'm just gonna do today's declaration, of which it says that I am a city built on top of a hill. My glory shall not be covered. I will. Let me check it for you. Let me check it for you. Okay, let me check. I'm gonna come back. I'm a city said on top of a hill for all to see. I cannot be hidden. My glory cannot be covered. What I carry in Christ shall be made manifest for all to see. So yeah, this was my conclusion for today. I believe that I believe that I was born to shine and also to accomplish the purpose that God has for my life. So regardless of whatever that I may get to go through, all the ups and the downs, I believe we would see at the end of the day something good will actually come out of me. And you know, I will shine regardless of whatsoever. I will shine, and yeah, we will rise. And surely will never, our glory shall not be hidden, it shall never be covered. In as much as we put hard work to everything, at the end of the day, people will be there, to just clap for us. People will be there to see us manifesting. People will be there to see, the light of God shining through us. So yeah, I guess that you should make it your daily conversion and all that. So yeah, it's a good night from me to you guys. Let me get on top of it. I love you, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. I love you, I love you, I love you. Mwah.